What is up, guys? Welcome to Fix It Felix. Today we have a 2004 Infiniti
FX35.
It's going to be a quick video showing you how to replace the rear door handles. It's super simple. You just open the door and you have to remove this plastic cover that's here. You can use your nails, or if you want you can use like a flathead screwdriver or like really small pliers. Just make sure you don't lose this. Put it somewhere safe. And now we're going to be using a T30 Torx, like this one. And we're going to go back here. As you can see, that's the bolt we have to take out. Don't worry about the bolt falling down, it won't. There's like two little clips right there that's holding it together. So it's really simple. Just put this inside and turn it all the way. Like I said, don't worry, it won't fall. Just keep turning. Right there, it should be loose. Now, if you're lucky, you can already just remove this part right here. But sometimes it's stuck. I'm going to show you a way how to remove it. It's stuck because the bolt, it's still holding it a little bit. So if you have a magnet, it comes in handy right here. Let me show you how. All right, so if you have a magnet like this one, you have to put it here inside so you can pull the bolt just a little bit. So right there, it's holding the bolt, and now you can remove this super easy, just like that. And then you can just remove this. Once you remove this piece, you can already just pull this to the right. And then just pull out. And as easy as that, you can remove it. Super simple. Now to put back, just follow the same instructions backwards. So just take it, put it here. Remember, put this side first. This side goes in first. Just put it like this and then push all the way to the left. There. And now this piece, simple, just put it back here. That's it. And then just get the T30 Torx and we're going to screw it all the way in. There you go. Don't forget to put the little plastic cover back. Yes. That's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching this quick video on how to replace the rear door handles on this 2004 Infiniti
FX35.
Please give a big thumbs up to this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and thank you as always. Peace.